Meine Damen und Herren, in diesen Tagen ist noch einmal klar geworden, wie wichtig Stabilität ist. Deutschland setzt sich ein für Stabilität auch der Staatsfinanzen und deshalb kommt dem heutigen und auch dem morgigen Tag eine besondere Bedeutung zu. Wir könnten einem Eurogruppen-Statement nicht zustimmen, wo über die Fiscal Guidance im Zusammenhang mit dem laufenden Reformprozess beim Stabilitäts- und Wachstumspakt gesprochen wird. Eine solche Formulierung wäre für uns nicht akzeptabel. Wir sehen, dass die amerikanische Regierung und Finanzinstitutionen entschlossen gehandelt haben. Wir haben eigene Autoritäten in Europa, in Deutschland beispielsweise unsere eigene Finanzaufsicht, die die Situation fortwährend beobachten. An der Stabilität haben diese Institutionen keinen Zweifel gelassen.
Well, we don't see a specific risk of contagion. Of course, we are monitoring the situation in close contact with the ECB. We appreciate, we take note of the initiative taken by the U.S. authorities to avoid in U.S. a contagion. And also we stress the fact that European banks, all European banks, not only the bigger, are applying the prudential Basel standard. So directly there is no contagion. The possibility of indirect impact is something that we have to monitor, but at the moment we don't see it as a significant risk.
Well, we of course evaluate the situation. We monitor the situation hour by hour. For now, we have no indications that there is any risk that there is an impact on our Belgian banks. But of course, as I said, we monitor it very closely. We also have, of course, a very clear European and Belgium regulatory framework in which we know what the situation is there, and that also, of course, helps us to keep trust in the banking system.
I'm sorry? We're here to protect the depositor. Whenever there's issues with the economy, we're here to stabilize as much as we can. Yeah. We're here to protect you guys up to the insurance limit. Obviously, this transaction was a bridge, and we're fully covered based on the regulations that have been provided to us. You guys are with FTX. We're with the FTX. Yes, sir.
We were faced with a situation where we could have seen some of our most important companies, our most strategic companies, wiped out, and that would have been extremely dangerous. We have built, over the last decade, the third largest tech economy in the world, after only China and the United States. So it's very important to us as a country that this sector thrives, and that's why the Prime Minister, the Bank of England, were all rolling our sleeves up over the weekend to make sure we had a solution.
So you will be able to transact business as usual. Your accounts are safe. Your online portals are active. You'll be able to wire and do business as usual. So if you have any questions? I was telling someone else here that, as far as I'm concerned, the government should put regulations, since banks are failing in this day and age, which is kind of surprising, and that the officers, when a bank closes like this, the officers should go to jail for a few months. Because as far as I'm concerned, and a number of the people I talked to, they basically committed a crime. They were entrusted with our money and didn't do the job that they should have done.